Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find driver and passenger side door module fuses relays on Mercedes GLC 3rd generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until we watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you guys need to buy replacement parts and tools, we will guys share information in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see where we get most of our tool supplies from. If you need something, you can get it there as well. So let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Driver, passenger, door module, fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them guys. Okay, on that Mercedes GLC here, what we need to do now? Here we need to open the passenger door guys, and excuse me, if you come in the footwell compartment on the passenger side on the AP where you have one cover guys, that cover here, pried open. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test the relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, what we need to check: 2 fuses. Then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more. We're talking about fuse 302 and 303. Okay, these are very important fuses. Most likely those are for the front doors. Now for the rear doors, let's explain. You need to open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have that flap, open it, and underneath guys that flap you're going to find the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here we need to check fuse number 406 and 408. These 2 fuses will need to be checked right there guys. Now relays, you don't have relays. Okay, the relay function most likely is controlled by the front and the rear SAM modules. That's the SAM module. So if you want to know where the fuses and the relays for the front rear SAM module are located, we'll have the video on the channel that will teach you that step by step. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones guys in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.